Hello everyone, welcome to the series of Complete DSA using Python specially designed for GATE DA exam. This series is part of Complete GATE DA course. The motive of this complete course is to provide you high quality material to crack the GATE DA exam with below 100 rank. So let's start with this series with our first lecture, Motivation to Study the DSA. So first of all, why we have to study this subject? There is two big reasons to study this subject. First reason, that's why you are here to crack the GATE DA exam. If you check out in 2024, from DSA itself, 20 marks paper comes in GATE DA exam, 21 marks paper. So 21 marks is a very big number out of 100. So if you will club the DSA with the aptitude section, you can clear the GATE DA exam. You do not need to study even machine learning, AI and mathematics also. So this have high weightage in GATE DA exam as well as in GATE CS exam also. In GATE CS exam also 18 to 20 marks paper comes from DSA itself. So one subject can help us in these two GATE exams. So one benefit is this. And the second very important benefit is that DSA is important for getting place in product based companies. So if you are targeting the main companies, then this course will build your solid foundation in DSA. I'm not saying that just covering this course you will get placed in main companies, because after this you need coding practice also. But this course will clear all the foundations of the DSA. You will be very strong mathematically in DSA and logically also. Just you need coding practice after covering this subject to get placement in main companies. So two benefits we will get from this one series. Fine, okay? So let's see now subject wise weightage in GATE DA 2024 exam actually. So from here we will get the idea that you can see over here directly. If you see this subject, programming, data structure and algorithm, 21 marks paper is asked in GATE DA 2024. And if you see other subjects, no doubt at all, math is having more importance. Math is having the highest weightage. You will combine 10, 16 and 8, total 34 marks paper is coming from math itself. No doubt at all, math is the most important subject for GATE DA exam. But second most you can consider DSA also. No doubt at all, machine learning and AI is also playing important role, which is together is making 22 marks paper. So you can still consider that DSA is playing very important role in GATE DA exam. From this slide we can see this thing. Let me move on. Let me erase it and move on. So this is last 12 year DSA GATE CS weightage actually. So in last 12 year, how many marks paper is coming from DSA subject? In GATE CS exam, little idea we will get from here also. How they are asking how many marks paper they are asking from DSA section. In GATE CS, fine. You can see over here on average 18 marks paper is coming from DSA in GATE CS also. Or if you see in 2024 paper, GATE DA paper, 21 marks paper is coming from DSA. Here also approximately on average that is happening, same thing is happening. So the pattern of DSA is here in GATE CS is matching with the pattern of DSA in GATE DA also. So you can take little idea that on average 18 marks paper will come from DSA every year. This thing at least we can take. Fine, now let me move on. Before that, let me erase the screen. This is the complete syllabus for GATE DA exam from DSA section. Every topic over here I have mentioned the marks also, expected marks, how much paper might come from that area. I prepared these expected marks from last 20 years paper analysis from every topic how many marks paper is coming. From that I analyze and then I come up with this idea. So one thing you can observe here is that, okay, from programming or Python programming in 2024 itself, they ask 4 to 6 marks paper. Okay, from programming they usually are asking this much marks paper. Okay, so Python is playing important role, no doubt. And if you look at the other area, graph is also very important, from where 2 to 4 marks paper is coming. And searching and sorting is also very important. Searching and sorting is also very important. If we talk about this area, this is the foundation of DSA, we cannot skip it. Otherwise you can get little idea from how many marks paper is coming from a particular area. You can get the idea, okay, which topic is more important, which is little less. Tree is also playing very important role. See, 2 and 2 marks. Linked list might not be that much important, because in machine learning itself, linked list do not play very important role. But okay, linked list is used for creating the tree, so that can be considered as the subtopic of tree. So that's why still that is the part of this section. Fine, okay, you can get the glimpse of this syllabus and can get the idea from which topic how much marks paper will come. So might be you can get the idea. Fine, okay, I'm erasing it now, moving on. Oh, that's it for this session. We will meet back in next class.